everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing Red Velvet Seulgi's look from Bad Boy. And first off, we're going to be starting with some primer. So I'm fixing my hair and now we're going to be spraying some primer all over my face and letting it set for a bit. To start off, I'll be putting some lip balm on my lips so it's not dry and flaky by the time I put on my lipstick. Then next up, we'll be using a cushion to do my foundation. You can use any foundation you'd like. I prefer using a cushion because it gives that Korean dewy look that I like and that a lot of the K-pop idols like doing in their music videos and when they do events and stuff like that. So before setting my foundation with powder, I have to put on some cream blush first, and so it will go on smoothly and it will blend properly. That's one big mistake some people make, so make sure to put cream blush before setting it. So now we're going to be setting it with loose powder from Ben Nye, and we're going to be working on our eyeshadow this time. So I'll be using a nude shimmer eyeshadow for a base because I want a completely flat base to work my eyeshadow on because this is very heavy makeup. Then we'll be starting off with some black eyeliner. I'll line my whole eye very close to the lash line, then bringing it up to a cat liner at the end. It has to be very pointed. Then I'll be setting that with some black eyeshadow and an angled brush to get it right. Okay, to add more depth, I'll be using this pink sugar eyeshadow palette and I'll be using a shimmery gray. From the edge of the eyeliner, I'll be blending it towards my eyelid and I'll be doing this very carefully so it'll have a gradient effect. You can do this with an angled brush if you'd like. So when that's done, I'll be adding an accent eyeshadow at the lower lash line. I'll be using a burgundy shimmery eyeshadow with an angled brush. This is from ARITAUM in Korea, but you can use any burgundy blush. Make sure to keep it very close to the lash line and it has to be the whole under eye up to the eyeliner. Next up, I'll be adding more contrast with some black gel eyeliner. I'll just be layering this on top of the eyeliner I had earlier, but this is just to create a more defined line. Okay, next up, I'll be doing my eyebrows. I'll be doing them in dark brown. This is because I want my eyes to stand out and I want a softer brow look. I'll be copying Seulgi's eyebrow shape, which is straight with a defined end. And I'll also be blending the portion near my nose with another brush, with a blunt brush, so that it looks natural and doesn't look harsh on the face. So Seulgi has a silver line on her eye, and I'm going to be copying this by using BYS. You can use a eyelash glue and some glitter, but I just want to achieve a similar look with this. Next up, I'll be taming my eyebrows with some eyebrow mascara gel. I'll be using them in brown to make sure they still look soft. And I'll be putting on some falsies, first off by curling, and then I chose a natural set for my eyelashes. You can opt for a thicker set if you prefer that, but I just like a natural set. Next up, we'll be doing some contouring. I'll be using PINKIES collection for this. I'll be contouring my nose as well as my jaw and my cheekbones as well. Last but not the least, I'll be topping off my look with some lipstick. I want a toasted cherry lip, so I'll be using this Happy Skin shade Anna from the Disney collection, blotting off the excess. And now that we're done, let's transform. So I finished off the look with a completely black outfit. I also put some earrings and inserted some gray contact lenses. I kept my hair straight, and I think this look is very perfect for night outs. I know my lips are a different color than Seulgi's, but I wanted it to match the burgundy eyeshadow I had on. You can opt to go for red if you want to. So if you enjoyed my makeup tutorial, leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear comments and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell for notifications on new videos. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye!